Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change your wallpaper on iPhone. Alright, first of all, make sure that you downloaded a photo or that you create a photo that you want to use. After that, we click on my file and then here go to photos, and right now I click on the photo that I want to use. So if I click on this picture I want to use this, then I need to click left in the bottom on the share button, and if I scroll down you will see here the option use as wallpaper. So right now click on that and now it's loading. Right now, if you can see, we can zoom a little bit out or can zoom a little bit in, what you like. But if you want to add this, we can click on add. Then we can decide if you want to set this as pair or that we want to customize our home screen. Now let's say we want to set this as pair. And right now if I throw this one away, you see that our background got changed to my keyboard. So this is exactly how you can do this. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.